Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Protake and granting camera and microphone access so the app can control exposure and record sound. Once done, choose your recording preset. Resolution and frame rate matter for delivery, so pick 4K/24 for cinematic or 1080p/60 for smooth motion. Make sure to attach any stabilization like a tripod or gimbal and enable the grid and 3x focus assist. These small steps let you frame and lock focus quickly before moving on. Next, you switch to manual exposure and set ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. That's how you control image quality. Once you dial in levels, lock them. Changing mid-take causes flicker. Use focus peaking to confirm sharp areas and apply 1/2 stop exposure compensation if highlights are near clipping. Also, keep an eye on the waveform and histogram to balance shadows and highlights. Doing so prevents blown highlights and keeps skin tones natural, which saves time in post. Now, press record and use markers or scene names to log takes for faster editing later. As you shoot, listen to audio and watch in-app meters. Make sure levels peak below clipping. Once a take finishes, review the clip and playback and verify focus, exposure, and sound before moving on. If something goes wrong, recordings won't save or audio is missing, free up storage, restart the app, and check camera/microphone permissions. If needed, reboot the phone and retry, which resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.